How to change pattern on an SVG file in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. First, set the Page Setup panel. Step 2. Open the File Explorer and locate the design you want to import into Silhouette Studio. Step 3. Select the file, then click and drag it into Silhouette Studio. Step 4. Minimize the File Explorer window, then drag the design into the media. Step 5. Select the first design and click Ungroup. Step 6. Select the second design and click Ungroup in the Quick Access toolbar. Step 7. Select the pattern part of the design, drag it off the media and delete it. Step 8. Repeat the same steps to delete all the pattern parts of the design. Step 9. Select the colored piece and press Ctrl plus left directional key to make a duplicate. Step 10. Repeat the same steps to duplicate the other colored piece. Step 11. Select the two pieces you've duplicated and press the Ctrl plus G keys to group them together. Step 12. Hold down the Shift key, select the remaining piece of the design and go to the Modify panel. Step 13. Click Subtract and it'll remove the colored part of the design. Step 14. With the design selected, click Weld. Step 15. Now, move the colored pieces back into their original position by making a duplicate from the pieces you've set aside earlier. Step 16. Select the part of the design you've just layered and click Send to Back. Step 17. Select the back piece of the design and click Send to Front. Step 18. Hold down the Shift key, select the pieces of the design where you're going to fill the pattern and press Ctrl plus G to group them together. Step 19. Select the Ungroup part of the design and make a duplicate. Step 20. Select the original and the duplicated designs, then click Subtract in the Modify panel. Step 21. Now, the design will fit like puzzle pieces and there won't be any overlapping in the layers. Step 22. Once done, open the File Explorer, then drag and drop the pattern you want to use into the media. Step 23. Close File Explorer, drag the pattern over the design and click Send to Back. Step 24. Select the grouped base file and the pattern, go to the Modify panel and click Crop. Step 25. It'll fill the pieces with the pattern and can be used as a printable design. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.